Today, we are attaching this English paper-pieced owl to this plain hoodie I got for my son from the thrift store. I happen to have the owl on hand, but you can find it and others like it at psthreads.com. First of all, we need to remove all of the papers from the pattern in order to attach it to the hoodie. I have a few extra tools from Sewn, and they're like really fancy tweezers. They're super helpful for those hard-to-get paper pieces. And don't worry about messing up the sides of your paper piece patch. We will iron those back into place before sewing the owl onto our hoodie. If you glue basted your pieces and are finding it harder to get the paper pieces out, just give your piece a warm press with your iron to loosen up that glue, and it should be easier. If you use thread to baste your EPP project, this might look a little different. The pattern I'm using today is the Owl EPP from PS Threads, and there will be a link where you can find your own owl pattern and many other cool EPP patterns to choose from. Turns out I didn't even need those fancy tweezers for this project, but it's great to have them on hand whenever you need them. Now that we've removed all of our paper pieces, let's iron and move on to the next part.